what's up, YouTube? Shavonn Monroe Show, and today we're doing Glee.
Cough syrup.
Let's get it.
You know this song?
Nah.
Are you trying to throw a subliminal?
No, I don't know it.
Saying that I need cough syrup?
You okay? You seemed upset.
They were together.
No, Sebastian is thinking.
Forget about Sebastian. I'm not mad at you. I just don't want to waste any more time on him. I want to focus on winning. I've got a new song I want to try out. The theme for regionals is inspiration, and I think this fits the bill. You want to hear it?
Hey, Karofsky.
What's up, Nick?
The fuck happened?
I think it does have to something about being gay. Sorry.
What did he say?
Life's too short to even care at all.
It's terrible.
I'm losing my mind, losing control.
Get it.
You want to go?
These fishes on the sea, they're staring at me. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away.
Wait, he kissed him or something?
To some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down.
How'd he come out?
I don't remember. Watch the show.
Life's too short to even care at all. Coming up now, out of the blue. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my a dark world aches for a splash of the sun.
Kill himself?
If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they say could restore me,
Goosebumps.
restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. One more spoon of cough syrup now.
Are we the
Damn,
first
that was
candy to make
sad,
something?
man.
People so fucking. Oh my god, haters. Like, fucking haters.
This world is fucked up.
Evil as fuck. I don't even know what happened. I really gotta watch the episode.
That was sad.
Let us know what happened. What episode is this? I know it's the season after all the Gleeks left and stuff. Like, the originals were leaving slowly. But anyways, let us know what you guys thought. Like, comment, subscribe, and
Be patient. Till we meet again. Shavonn Monroe Show. We love y'all. Peace.